She. Brother. We are active. Look at the mileage. Like 85 something. I'll show you. Got it all together. Cooling's good, level's good. So from the last thing, let me put it together. On the fluids, everything checked out. Man, how much oil's in here? Hey, well, at least it's clean. I'm gonna reseal the oil pan. I got a leak right there. Yeah, that damn. That ain't even black. It's fresh. I bled the brakes. Bled the clutch. You can kind of see the line right there. Ooh, come on. There it is. Wasn't that bad. Oh my god, how many quarts of oil does this thing take? If this takes more than a Suburban, I'll be surprised. Holy hell. Charge the AC. We got a new compressor down in there. Right now the tensioner is noisy, but I'm gonna get a new one when I put a smaller pulley on it. Actually a relocation. And then let's go drive it. Alright, video is gonna be a little grainy. AC works. I just got home late, so fog lights work. I had to clean the windows up a little bit. Take this thing for a little spin around the block real quick. It's all together. So transmission fluid replaced. Check. This clutch is definitely brand new because it has a really low grabbing point. It drives so smooth. Even though the camera will probably be up and shaking and whatever. I think it'll stabilize. I got the dome light on because it is getting a little late over here. My seat's still hot right now. Ooh, I don't know if you can hear it on video. The whine that this little thing has. I gotta put a window regulator on that side, but that's fine. Still gotta put a head unit inside this car. But the shifter, oh my god, the shifter feels so good. Still burning the rust off of the brake. Off the brakes, you can kind of hear it. But for a stock pulley, this car feels, I don't know how to explain it. It feels like you're driving a performance GM Pro. I don't know, if you've driven like a 5th gen Camaro or a G8 or a CTSV, like, you know you're driving in something that is kind of put together pretty good. And that's where we're at right now. This is crazy because I've never had something, well, I have, but for the first time I have something, a boosted daily you got for cheap that works. So I'm gonna get all the paperwork done, stuff in the background to go get this thing up and ready to drive, because I got a few mods I want to do, but I just wanted to make sure that this car was good to drive. Gotta adjust the headlights and stuff like that. But I want to see if I can go take it up and down the street real quick. I think it may need something like a damper or two in the front that kind of clack, but that's nothing. It's nothing. There's nothing better than getting a cheap car up, done, and running that you put all the work in to do. That's how I felt with the two-door. That's how I felt with the Suburban. So I am the king of finding. I think that's what I'm gonna focus on. The other cars that I'm gonna get is the rare Chevys. Two-door, rare. Quadra Suburban, rare. Cobalt SS, supercharged, rare. And I already took it around the block last night when I got it together at like midnight, because I was like, I am not gonna waste time getting this thing just to see it parked. I gotta go drive it. So it's a new clutch. Still gonna break it in. I don't want to beat on it, do a bunch of hard shifts. But I think when I took it and romped on it a little bit in second gear, I think I saw like 8 pounds. So I'm really curious to see what it does on the new pulley. I just gotta actually use this as a daily. So now I have a cheap gas saving daily that's cool. I love, when I had the Mustang, I was stressed about, I gotta do this now, or I gotta do this, and you know, your friend, my friend makes 800 and I'm just NA, and I've kind of left that side of me alone. Like if I run into someone else and they're Cobalt and they make like 400, I don't care. Suburban owes me nothing. Two-door owes me nothing. Two-door was my only car at one point. Got the 4L80 swapped and literally drove it the next day for 4 months with no issues. But now those cars can take their break and I can have my fun with this. And the main thing is the AC works, which is tits. I love this car. I don't care that the paint's all messed up. The wheels are a little scuffed. Just to hear that whine, that's all I want. That's all I ever wanted. So now that I got a car that whines, I got a car that has 4-wheel steer. The only thing left is I need a car that is cammed out, and that's gonna be for the two-door. It's I haven't felt like this in a very long time. So I'm glad I took the extra time to reseal the oil pan, replace the fuel filter, you know, get all the fluids checked off. Definitely glad I put the AC compressor in it, and it all works. I actually have to probably zip tie the fan connectors because they're broken, but that's little stuff. Right now I gotta pull this aside. It up and runs, and now I gotta put a radio in the Honda. So that'll be it for this video. There'll be more on this later as I continue on the road with this, but the Cobalt runs and drives. Thermostat doesn't even, it chills at 195. Right now we're at 187. Woo! Until next time.